We often think of Thanksgiving as a bustling holiday filled with family, friends, and a lot of cooking, but did you know that with some thoughtful planning, you can host a memorable and stress-free Thanksgiving? In today's video, we'll guide you through how to create a seamless Thanksgiving experience in the comfort of your own home. Plus, we've linked some of our most trusted tools and other items to help you prepare for Thanksgiving. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain KTE, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're diving into how to host a successful Thanksgiving dinner. This is a fantastic way to gather your loved ones and enjoy a cozy, festive meal. Let's get started. First things first, planning your Thanksgiving. When planning your Thanksgiving, start by organizing all the crucial elements such as the guest list, decorations, and meal prep. This ensures that you cover every aspect of the event, making it enjoyable for everyone. Second on your list, creating the guest list. Begin by deciding how many guests to invite. Focus on those you genuinely like to spend the holiday with to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Send out invitations early and ask for RSVPs to confirm attendance, which will help you plan seating arrangements and food portions accurately. Third, setting a budget. Establishing a budget can prevent unnecessary stress. List all potential expenses like food, decorations, and seating arrangements. Allocate funds to each category and track your spending as you go. This proactive approach ensures you enjoy Thanksgiving without financial concerns. Fourth, designing your menu. Creating your Thanksgiving menu is an exciting part of the planning process. Select a main dish, traditionally turkey, and complement it with a variety of sides and desserts. Consider dietary needs and offer vegetarian or gluten-free options if necessary. Preparing a detailed shopping list will help you avoid missing any ingredients. Fifth, prepping for the feast. Start your Thanksgiving preparations well in advance. Prioritize make-ahead dishes and items that can be stored in the fridge or freezer. Chop vegetables, measure spices, and organize your recipes ahead of time. Creating a timeline will ensure everything is ready when needed. 6. Gathering essential kitchen tools. Having the right kitchen tools is crucial for smooth Thanksgiving meal preparation. Ensure you have essential items like sharp knives, a turkey baster, and a meat thermometer. Make sure you're equipped with baking sheets, pots, and pans to handle multiple dishes simultaneously. We've linked some of our most trusted tools below to help you get started. 7. Cleaning and organizing the kitchen. A clean kitchen is fundamental for a smooth cooking experience. Start by clearing clutter from your countertops to maximize workspace. Clean and sanitize surfaces, organize your pantry and refrigerator, and label containers for any pre-prepared items. 8. Cooking the Thanksgiving dinner. Effective planning and execution are key to a successful Thanksgiving dinner. Start with the turkey, then move on to preparing stuffing, sides, and desserts. Use a cooking timeline to track each dish's preparation and cooking times, ensuring everything is ready when needed. 9. Setting the table and decorating your home. Setting the table and decorating your home are crucial for creating a festive and welcoming atmosphere. Use fall-themed items like pumpkins, gourds, and dried leaves. Each place setting should include plates, utensils, and glassware arranged logically. Consider using napkin rings or folding the napkins creatively for added flair. 10th, serving and presentation. The way you present and serve your dishes can elevate your Thanksgiving celebration. Use serving dishes that complement your table settings. Arrange food with varying heights to add visual interest and label dishes if some guests have dietary restrictions. 11th, handling leftovers. Transforming Thanksgiving leftovers into quick meals can save you time and effort. Make turkey sandwiches, toss turkey pieces into salads, or make a turkey soup. Freeze leftover turkey in airtight containers to maintain freshness. Label and date all items before storing them. 12. Cleaning after the event. A clean kitchen is crucial after hosting Thanksgiving. Start by clearing all countertops and putting away dishes and utensils. Use baking soda and vinegar for any stubborn stains. Sweep and mop floors to remove spills and crumbs. Enlist family or friends to help with tasks like washing dishes or wiping tables. Finally, keeping the Thanksgiving spirit alive. Continue exploring new recipes and hosting tips after Thanksgiving. Dive into cooking reviews. Consider joining a cooking club or attend culinary events to deepen your appreciation and knowledge. With each experience, your hosting skills will only grow. As you plan future Thanksgiving dinners, consider different themes or menu variations to keep things fresh. Encourage your guests to suggest dishes for your next gathering. This not only adds variety, but also engages their interests and preferences. Stay curious and open to new hosting experiences as part of your ongoing journey in the world of entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.